Welcome, my name is Ruben and today we'll be demonstrating the integration between Torus and Rapid Global. From here, you'll then need to click onto the key cabinet option at the top right of your screen. From here, you'll need to search and select your location from the search bar on the left. Once here, you'll need to press on the green server details button in the middle of your screen. Once the new window opens, please enter the server address that can be found in our documentation and the API/provisioning key, which can be found in the integration record on your Torus account. Once you've filled these in, please press the update and then test connection button. The next thing to do is press the site details button and make sure you've selected the Torus integration from the drop-down menu. Once this is all done, you can now start creating your access groups by clicking on the access groups button and then pressing the create new access group. As an example, we are using the naming convention of the site name space and then the access group name, which in this instance is called maintenance. Once this has been saved, you will again see a window pop up at the bottom right hand side of the screen confirming the data has been saved. What you need to do next is link the access groups to the companies you've set up in your Rapid system. To do this, you will need to press on the Add Trainee/Company button and a new window will appear. We recommend doing this on a company level by selecting the company option at the top, and then from the drop-down menu, select the company you wish to assign an access group to, and then under access groups, you'll be able to select one or more of the previously created access groups to this particular company. Now that you've set up the access groups in Rapid, within the Torus system, you can navigate to integrations and then to your Rapid Global integration, which when selected is where you will recover your API/provisioning key we spoke about earlier in the video. Now moving across to the access group section, you can see that when we search for the access groups we created in Rapid, that they appear here in the Torus system with the same naming convention. This is where you'll now need to open each of the imported access groups and go to Accessible Cabinets and Keys option on the far right and select the site, then the cabinet, and then the individual keys you wish to be part of this access group. Now that this has been saved, users that sign in from Rapid who are from a company that have been given access to the maintenance access group will then be able to retrieve the configured keys from the Torus cabinet with the user ID and PIN they are provided when they sign in. You can see here the user, Christian, has signed into Rapid and is being brought into the Torus system by the Rapid integration. And when we open this profile, we can go over to the accessible items, which lists all the keys this user has access to via the assigned access groups set up in Rapid and Torus.